Hello guys, hello darlings, welcome back to Bleached Mode, where I share all things fabulous. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Bleached. I love fashion, beauty, lifestyle, the whole shebang. In today's video, I'm showing you how to get this perfect install in 10 minutes. This is beginner friendly, lazy girl friendly. If you like to look bougie without too much effort, this is for you. If you're like me, I love a meltdown, but I don't know how to achieve it. This hair does everything, comes ready. All you have to do is throw the wig on, cut the cap, and you're ready to go. I'm a bit extra, so I did some baby hairs here and there. You know how I do, but it's because I'm extra. But you don't need to do that. You throw this on, cut the lace, and you're out, ready to go. So if you're busy on the go, this hair is for you. I love this unit so much. Thank you so much to Hairvivi for sponsoring today's video. You guys know how much I love Hairvivi. So if you're not following them, make sure you do. I'll leave all their details in the description box down below. Also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, where I share all things fabulous. So let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so here is the gorgeous wig from Hairvivi. This is the April wig HD lace from Hairvivi, and it's the Invisi Scalp Frontal wig, and it's 180 density. As you can see, the hair is super soft. I cannot wait to put this on. The wig comes already plucked and already tinted on the lace. As you can see, it pretty much looks invisible. I've got my hand in there, and this is what it's giving so far. It looks really good. The inside, so you've got a huge band like that, and this just prevents the wig from moving around. And also we have the massive clips at the back. I love it when they're big. Again, it prevents the wig from moving if you're dancing. So we have two small clips on each side, and then on the back we have a large clip like this to secure your wig, and also contains a large band, and it has an adjuster so that you can adjust the length or the size that you want. And it's been updated now. We have the Hairvivi logo inside, which is really nice for branding, and I like it. I really like this. Oh, and we have another adjusting strap like that, so for that extra security, which is really good. What I love about Hairvivi wigs is that they come ready. So if you're a busy girl, always on the move, you don't have to worry about having to pluck, having to, you know, glue it down. These are glueless wigs, so you don't have to glue them down. So I've just realized that I don't actually need to wear this cap, just because we've got the true scalp tape. This is an elegant and effortless way to wear your wig in the most natural way as possible. So there's the tape inside. You can actually part in this wig multiple ways, which is really good. But at the minute we have it on a side part. So this tape just goes inside the wig like that for that natural look. So can you see the parting there? It's right there. So I'm gonna just place this right there. And then see the parting ends there. So I'm gonna cut it there. Okay, cool. So as you can see, I've placed the tape on there, and this just gives an illusion of natural scalp. Okay. So, oh my god, I love this. I really love this. Can you guys see that? Can you see that? That looks so good. I even took off the cap that I had because there's no, I don't need it. I really don't need it at all. I really recommend this, guys. All details will be down in the description box, okay? So make sure you check it out for Hairvivi. So what I'm gonna do is just cut the lace around the ears. My mirror is here, that's why I'm looking over there. Gonna cut the lace. Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna cut the lace. This is a very important step, so I don't wanna, yeah, I'm just gonna bring the mirror closer so I can see. And I want to cut this lace as close to my skin as possible. And this is what it looks like so far. I've literally cut it very, very close to my skin tone, as you can see. So now, as you know, I'm a bit extra. I love my baby hairs, although I struggle to do them. So what I'm gonna do literally is take some hair here just to create some baby hairs. But this is optional, you don't have to do this. I'm just a bit extra. So I'm just gonna cut some hair there. To do some baby hairs, and I'm gonna get some mousse. I hope you can really see this. So that's how I've cut the lace. It's perfect. Can you see how much it just really blends in with my skin tone? The ends are laying flat, nothing is poking out. Like, it's just perfect, perfect. But I'm a little bit extra, so I'm just gonna get some mousse to do my baby hair. But I love how easy it is to just put this wig on and just be on the go. Perfect. Can you see that? Perfect. And then now, I'm just gonna cut some hair on this side. So I'm just gonna add some mousse at the top. There we go. Baby hairs are done, 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 done. I think I just need a little bit more hair here. Yeah. This is all optional as well, like the hair comes ready, but I'm just gonna add some mousse because I'm extra. I just want it to be tamed down a little bit more, but the hair's already wavy. I'm just gonna brush it down, but the hair comes ready. Like I mentioned earlier, you don't have to do anything to it, but I'm just gonna brush it down. The waves are perfect. This is literally quick and easy, 10 minutes. Get ready with me, featuring Hairvivi. There we go, like voila. And then now what I'm gonna do is just get my Care stick to tame down the hairs some more, because you know I like my hair looking very sleek. I'm just gonna do that, and I'm just gonna brush it down. I'm gonna go ahead and now remove the tape at the front, just so that you can see what the hair's looking like. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, I love this. I love. So this is what the hair is looking like. I love this hair. What do we think, guys? I'm in love. Super easy, 10 minutes and you are done. Like, this is no glue, no nothing. Like, I've just cut the lace, did some baby hairs. I added the tape here as well, just for that natural looking scalp. I love this unit. It feels super light as well, although it looks quite full, but it's really light. The hair is nice. The hair is really silky. Like, my fingers just run through it.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give